It, A and N. It is a bag. It is a bed. It is a bee. It is an owl. It is an X. It is a snake. It is a pencil. It is an eye. It is an arm. It is a cap. It is a hen. It is a cat. It is a top. It is a hut. It is a cup. It is a fan. It is a box. It is a fox. It is a rat. It is an elephant.